Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you a little unboxing, some nail mail that I received from bornprettystore.com. Of course, I do have a discount code that you can use multiple times. It is FEM20, which gives you 20% discount. You can totally check it out if you want to get some items from Born Pretty Store yourself. I always leave it in the pinned comment down below as well as in the description box. But yeah, here you can see me just unboxing all of the items real quick, and I'm just going to talk about them, share the prices and so on a little later in the video for each and every single item. But if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really like it if you would subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell and leave a thumbs up. Just share some random facts about you in the comment section. And of course I will reply to you personally. But first up, I wanted to share with you this big sheet of water decals. They're all like leopard print in different shapes and sizes and all that jazz. I really love my leopard print. Leopard print design on nails is always a good idea in my opinion. But these are actually 12 sheets in one big sheet. So you can totally decide to just cut the squares out if you want to. Usually I just keep them this way because it's more easier. I won't lose any of like the separate sheets, but this one was only $1.29, which is a really nice price in my opinion. And yeah, as usual, like leopard print is always a good idea. It's always timeless and you can make it look so cute. Next up are a couple of foils that I got. These just came in these separate like little pots. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep them in these specific pots because I do feel like they take up a lot of space in my like storage area and stuff like that. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep them like that, but you can easily just fold it right up again, just roll it up around your fingers and you can just put it back into little containers. But yeah, these foils are all marble. As you can see here, I'm just going to show you all three of them. These are the 4 centimeters by 100 centimeters, so 4 by a meter, which is a lot to be honest. Like I never run out of any of these foils because usually they are like a meter long, which is quite a lot of product if you ask me, especially if you know like nails aren't like that big, you know, like usually my nails aren't longer than 4 centimeters, so I can do everything on like the shorter side of the foil. But yeah, I really love this white one, by the way. It gives a very natural marble, like natural marble stone look to it. But this last one is kind of unique and I really love the colors in this because you can totally combine it with pinks, oranges, yellows, greens. You can do such a fun and cute summery nail art design with this one, and I actually can't wait to try this one out. It's a little bit more like all over the place color wise, print wise. It's a little bit more of like a busier pattern, if you can say it like that. But these foils were $2.59 each, which is like a regular price. I wouldn't say it's super cheap, but it isn't super expensive either, especially considering how much of foil you get per bottle or pot, or however you want to call that. Then I also got some striping tape, but this is a little different than usual like round striping tape that you get, like the layered ones, just like a roll of tape. These are more of like stickers which come on a paper backing, which is really cool. So first up I have some, they're really reflective by the way, kind of metallic-y, but the first one was a rainbow, so different colors. The second one was like a hot pink, then I have a red and I also have a blue. Of course the striping tape has different like sizes, and I also got some ombre stickers. I was really intrigued by those because I've never seen them before, but these are actually water decals. But those ombre stickers or water decals was $1.59 a sheet, and the striping tape sheets were $1.29 in dollars, so that wasn't that bad at all. Then I also got a pack of 6 stamping polishes. because you know, you can't have too many stamping polishes. Usually you can use a lot of different regular nail polishes to do stamped nail art designs with as well, but I am just pretty much obsessed with all of these stamping polishes that Born Pretty store comes out with, because they're super pigmented and quite affordable as well. These are just the 6 milliliter bottles, and some people are like, meh, 6 milliliters isn't that much. I have to agree with you on that. 6 milliliters is like a tiny small bottle, but to be honest, these polishes are so pigmented. I have never used up an entire stamping polish bottle of Born Pretty store, and you guys know me, I have a couple of different ones, like a white and a black, that I have had in my collection for like 3 years, maybe even longer, and I'm still only halfway through the bottle. But the stamping polishes was a kit of 6, and that one was about $20. Then I also, to like finish off this entire unboxing nail mail video, I got the Born Pretty / KunCat nail stamping kit. It has 4 like stamped image plates, stamping plates, however you want to call it. It has a scraper as well as a stamper, and it's just so cute. I'm going to do a full-on separate like swatch review unboxing video about this, like a very much in-depth video where I will share how the stamper works, the scraper, and what the image plates all look like. But this kit was around $20 as well. And yeah, that was actually already what I got in my little nail mail unboxing haul, you can say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want any direct links. I will leave them in a comment somewhere below or in the description box if you're curious about that. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to see you in one of my next videos.